today. So I thought I would just make you a video going over some of the worked examples to help you out. I had this for us to do at the end of last lesson, but we didn't quite get through it. I'll go through the worked example part, and then you might want to try the ones below on your own. You can also scroll to the side, and the answers are here for you to check as well. So we've got if our set includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's our entire set. We have a subset A, which is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and a subset B, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then a subset 3, 6, and 9. So looking at that, we can say our set A is all our even numbers, set B is all our odd numbers, and set C is our multiples of 3. So we want to find the number of elements in A, the number of elements in B and C, the not the number. We want to find what the probability of, the set of A or B is, and then what the set of not B is. So a number of elements in A is basically how many different elements we have in A. So if we look at A, we can count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just like we've written here, we write number of elements in A equals 6. Our next one is our number of elements in B and C. So remember, B and C is it has to be in both of them. So if I look at B and C, I can see I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 3, 6, and 9. If I look at what is common between these two sets, I have 3 and 9 in both of them. So the number of elements in common in both of them will be 2. The next one is what our set A or C will be. So remembering A or C means we can have just A, we can have just C, or we can have the combination of both. If we have only any lap over between A and C, we only write that number once. So for example, we've got 6 and 6. So we wouldn't write 6 twice, we would just write it that once. So we would write A or C equals, then making sure we put it in ascending order. We have 0, 2, 3, because C's, the next one's 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So we're just listing all those different elements that are in A or C. Finally, we have not B. So in a way, not B is kind of the same as A, because if we look at our set, we've got all our numbers from 0 to 10. Set A is all our even, and set B is all our odd. So when we're doing not B, we want to list all the elements that aren't included in B. So in this case, it would be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, because all our odd numbers fall into B. That's it for this example. Have a go at some of these, remembering you just need to scroll to the side and you'll have your solutions. But it's a really good practice to start looking at what this different set notation means.